Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. The wave 3 may be over also. I mean, it's starting to look more and more convincing every day. We don't have a break of structure and we don't have an engulfing move yet, but it does look pretty convincing the wave 3 is over. If that's the case, this is going to be a pretty good size move to the downside, probably lasting at least 6 to 8 months for wave 4 before it actually goes back up and makes a wave 5. So keep that in mind because it's very important. As we go down to the weekly time frame, we have not broken structure yet, but it definitely looks like it is going to break. We have the 78% Fibonacci retracement that we need to keep an eye out for, but as of right now, it is definitely looking pretty strong to the downside. There just really is no proof that it's over yet because we don't have a break of structure and we don't have a lower high yet. Going down to the daily time frame, ever since this thing broke structure to the downside a few weeks ago at the JPY intervention that they did, I would have definitely been looking for sorts on shorter time frames from that point on. As of right now, our most recent structure level is right there. And I really, at this point, I think there's a pretty good chance it's going to keep on going down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, our most recent structure level that we really need to pay attention to is right here. Unless the price goes up and breaks that structure, I personally am only looking for shorts. If it goes down to the 78%, makes that double bottom, then goes up and breaks that structure, then that would definitely cause me to stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. But until something like that happens, or even if it does happen, I would actually continue to look for shorts every single chance I got at the end of every single pullback I see. At this point, if it really is the beginning of a wave 4 on the higher time frames, it will take out the 100% low on the daily time frame around the 1.6752 area. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, if you were doing nothing but looking for shorts over these last couple of weeks, you would be doing amazingly well right now. Little 1, 2, 3 wave pullback, go short, 1, 2, 3 go short. Even right here, it's more of a 5 wave move, but definitely a good short. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. There's been at least 5 trading opportunities to go short, and I think every single one of them would have been extremely profitable. So like I said, I am definitely continuing to look for shorts. I definitely wouldn't go short now. I would only go short on 3 wave pullbacks. But if it does make that double bottom at this fib level go up and break structure, I'll stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. If it doesn't do that, but instead just keeps on going down, which at this point I think is more likely, then I'll just keep on going short every chance I get. I'll just enjoy the trend. I'm not really focused on when the trend is over. I'm more just focused on getting in on pullback entries every single chance I get on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.